Guys, welcome back to today's video. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss many things on what is currently happening in the market today. Bitcoin is currently dropping. Yes, Bitcoin actually dropped from 73,000. Right now it has currently dropped to 60,000, right? Currently right now we are actually sitting at 61,000. You can actually check it here. We are currently sitting at 61,700 plus. So guys, I have 6 things I'm going to talk about today. We need to pay attention in the crypto market, right? Before actually analyzing what we are currently seeing right now. I'm going to talk about fundamental today, right? First, we have Bitcoin pre-halving, right? What is Bitcoin pre-halving? This is one of the speculation that many traders are actually using, right? They're actually saying yes, the reason for that is why we're actually having this correction. It repeats every cycle, right? When Bitcoin hit all-time high, it actually gives some correction, right? But now I found that is a fake news. I don't support that. Now let's actually head into the 1 week time frame to actually check out the 1 week chart, right? Now checking out the 1 week chart, we can actually see what is currently happening in the 1 week chart, how Bitcoin is currently moving here, right? Now if we check out at the past bull market, right, you can actually see how it plays out. This was the recent bull market that actually happened. Let us say this is the 2021 bull run, right? Now if we check out what really happened, we actually see that this is the previous high. This was the all-time high then back in 2018, right? And we went down to the bear market. Coming to this level, we saw this at this all-time high, we saw this is weekly candle, we saw weekly candle rejection over here, right? And let us actually zoom into it a bit, right? We can actually see 2 red candle. That means actually 2 weeks was red. That means Bitcoin hold on a resistance level at this area, right, at the past halt, right? Now many people are actually saying that this will repeat, right? There's not like Bitcoin pre-halving, right? Because there will be a cycle that a time will come that Bitcoin will just break that high and keep pumping, right? It is very, very possible, right? And also guys, you need to actually understand this, right? So this correction you see here is not pre-halving, right? You don't need to actually use those words pre-halving, because this is what I actually see many traders talking about Bitcoin pre-halving, right? Is it really possible? This is not Bitcoin pre-halving, right? This is the extended, we are having that is what I talk. We have the wave 1 to the upside, wave 2, right? You can actually see here where we have the wave 1, wave 2 to the downside, having the resistance level, and wave 3 we are extending too much large extension, so we need some pullback here. So that is what is currently happening in the crypto market. And right now guys, what are we actually seeing, right? This is the weekly chart, and let me actually discuss something in the weekly chart, what you really need to pay attention, ladies and gentlemen, right? Sorry for this indicator that you will actually see here, right? So what we're having is the morning star candle, right, which happened at the recent week, the past week. This is the morning star candle. You can actually see it here, right? Now we are right now filling down. You can actually see it here. This is what we need to also pay attention. If the price of Bitcoin you can actually see the drop have already happened, right? The drop have already happened to fill up that morning and evening star candle, right? So we need to pay attention to what is happening in the price of Bitcoin, because that is what we are currently seeing. Moving upward, the Bitcoin ETF slowed down. The first day we have an outflow of the spot Bitcoin ETF. About 100 and something plus Bitcoin was out of the market, because this was the outflow coming from Grayscale, right? Grayscale is currently selling of their Bitcoin, right? The selling of their Bitcoin. So that is what we are currently seeing. Why the inflow of other ETFs slow down, right? So that is what we see. And currently right now, Grace, what are we seeing? We have let me go to my Twitter account, my new Twitter account. So if you have not followed me, I'm going to announce it. I'm going to announce it on Friday. Make sure to follow me on Friday. Make sure to join my community. I'm going to actually give a reward for that when you follow my new Twitter account. So I'll be announcing it very, very soon. So what are we seeing here? MicroStrategy have actually had 9,255, 245 Bitcoin. You see, these people are not stupid. You know, using he actually bought this 9,245 Bitcoin at the price of 67. And you're actually going to say, yo, this man is stupid. You know how many millions? This is worth 623 million, right? This best person who is micro seller, of course, many people know it. Many people know him, right? This person actually bought 623 million worth of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is 9,245 at the rate of 67,000. And what is the current price of Bitcoin right now? The current price of Bitcoin is 61,000 plus, right? They are not stupid. These are big waves coming into the market. So it is what we are currently seeing right now in the market, right? When you see this type of people buying Bitcoin like this, and many of you are currently panicking, selling. This person actually bought at the dump. When Bitcoin was dumping, he actually bought. What are we saying here, right? What did we don't know that these big players know, right? They're actually buying at the dump. They are not stupid, right? So let us actually move forward on what we are currently seeing. 663. I mean, do we have it? 663? 663. Okay, we don't have it yet. 600. Okay, sorry guys. What is the liquidation in the current in the market right now? We have 663 million liquidation in the market, right? This is the liquidation that happened in the market for the past 24 hours, right? And this is what we need to pay attention to. Many people actually long in the market, short in the market, panicking everywhere, long in the market, short in the market. I don't think right now this is not the time to actually panic, right? If these big players are busy accumulating Bitcoin at this rate, at the rate, right, and it actually dump, right? Did you think they're actually stupid? If Bitcoin should actually drop, and you think the Bitcoin will actually drop, guys, let us head back to what we're actually seeing, right, in the market, right? We have another thing here. Solana world Google search hit all-time high. This is what I'm talking again, right? Go back to Twitter. This is what I'm talking again. Solana Google search hit all-time high. You need to be careful. The Solana is actually pumping. We can actually see it here. Hit new high. And people actually interested in Solana. Why? The reason why people actually interested in Solana is because of the memes, right? The Solana memes ecosystem is going parabolic, right? We are actually seeing memes, Solana memes doing wonders in the market, right? Doing 25x, can even do 100x, can even do 50x at their launch. And this is one thing you need to be careful, right? Holding Solana, there is too much FOMO, too much hype in this project. You need to just be careful. No influencer will ever tell you this about Solana project. There is too much greed in the market. There is too much hype, too much interest that people actually want to get interested in Solana, using their millions to actually invest in all these memes project. There are too much FOMO. They don't want to miss out. When they see this, people don't want to miss out, right? And this is one of the things that lead to the market taking people funds, right? Turning people to liquidity. You need to be careful, guys. Right now, guys, what are we going to analyze? We have actually earned for today's fundamental, right? Looking at the 1-day time frame, Bitcoin seems to be dropping. We actually, Bitcoin is still bullish in the 1-day time frame. No doubt, Bitcoin is still bullish. Don't get me wrong. But if we go to the lower time frame, Bitcoin is currently bearish. Now, what are my levels, right? I'm going to discuss my levels, which you need to pay attention to. Levels which you need to pay attention to. In my recent videos, I told you about the wave 1. We have the wave 1 to the downside. We have the wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside, retesting this high. This is what I told you in my previous video. And we have the third wave. We have actually hit that third wave level, right? I'm on long position, and I'm also bought more. And I also bought more Bitcoin and Ethereum at this level, right? I bought Bitcoin, I bought Ethereum at 3,070 plus, and I bought Bitcoin at 60,900 plus, right? This is my strategy. We have the wave 1. What I want to see next is we have a bit of consolidation, right? There is a possibility if we have, I'm coming guys, if we have a bit of consolidation around this area, right? We need to see a big move to the a higher move to the upside, right? Or regression and get that pullback, right? Only if we see a consolidation around that area. But if we don't see a consolidation, right? If we don't see a consolidation, we can likely keep going down, and the worst case scenario of my next target will be at $57,000, right? And it's going to actually sweep this low, which you actually see here, right? $57, that is the next target. If we are to get a bounce coming back to this level, which you actually see here, right, before getting that rejection and pumping more forward. These are two possible scenarios I'm currently seeing right now in the market. We need to hold at this level for a resistance. If we don't hold at this level for a resistance, there will be a high chance we are actually going to have a more downside to 57,000. So guys, don't forget to actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video. And also guys, if you are looking for the best exchange to register on, go down in the description of this video. Get.io is the best exchange for you to actually get started with, right? And also if you are looking for the best platform to actually buy gift card, Google Play gift card, Amazon gift card, iTunes gift card, go down the description of this video, register on Bitcoin Reward, where you can actually buy those things, right? And also guys, you can also buy crypto on Bitcoin Reward. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Join my community. Down the link is in the description of this video. So guys, goodbye and peace out for now.